Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hack and Play. So, your favorite place to learn AI and machine learning. So, before we dive into the videos and tutorials, I wanted to share why I started this channel and why I took this move. So, like many of you, I started my journey feeling overwhelmed with AI. I saw all the buzz and ChatGPT, robots, automation. When I tried to learn everything was filled with the complex math, confusing code, or heavy theory. So I thought there are ways to learn this. Then I decided if I learn step by step with the project's simple languages and real world use cases, then I can teach it same way to others also. So this channel is not about just tutorials, it's about breaking down complex concepts into real world understandable knowledge. And so here we are trying to teach you some of the tutorials. Every day we will post one video regarding technologies which can make impact in today's trend. You can have a watch, and if interested, you can take up real-time projects which we are working on, and assessment as well. So now in this trend, how the AI tools is changing the world. I'll let me explain. It's a powerful tool for reshaping every corner and mm, and from how we work and learn to how we shop, create, and even receive healthcare. AI tools are transforming the way we live and interact with the upcoming world. So, AI tools are changing the world not only in the future but right now. The question is not whether AI will impact your life, it's how you will use it and improve, innovate, and empower it. So, for more updates, stay